Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer. To know which one convergent or divergent, we need to find about R, and the value of R should be from negative number 1 to positive number 1. So for question number 1, we can see that when we put about n equals to number 1 and n equals to number 2, we can find about R in here. That is about a number 2. That is about the terms of number 2 divided by a number 1. So a number 2, that means n equals to number 2, and a number 1, that is about n equals to number 1. We put this one go in here. And we got 11 over 10. 11 over 10 is bigger than number 1. That means this one divergent. If we do the question number 2, we apply the same formula in here. That is about 1 over 3 to the power of 3 and 1 over 3 to the power of 2. Because they start at n equals to number 2. And this one, we have 1 over 3. And we can see that 1 over 3, this is belong to this range, this interval in here. So that means convergent. Now, if we want to find the sum of this one, we apply the formula in here. That should be like this. A number 1, that is about the first term divided by 1 minus R. So let's say when we put number 2 go in here, you got a number 1, and that is about 1 over 3 to the power of 2. Because this is the first term of this one, we divide by 1 minus 1 over 3. This one we calculate, and we got 1 over number 6. So this is the answer. Now from question C to question F, we do the same. So we put n equals to number 0 go in here to find a number 1. And then we put n equals to number 1 to find a number 2. And then we find R, that is about a number 2 divided by a number 1. And then we find H, and we apply the formula in here. So I will write the answer for C to F. And here is the answer. For question E, when we put 4 to the power of 4 go outside, we have like this. So this one divided by this one, we have the number 1. Number 1 is not from negative number 1 to positive number 1. This is equals to number 1. That's why divergent. About this one, we need to separate them into like this. So we calculate this one, and you got this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.